Hello, welcome to our channel, Strong Foundation Spanish Lessons. This is Teresa.
And this is Francisco. The objective of this series is to learn how to correctly pronounce words in Spanish to better speak and read it. We'll practice with short sentences where the consonant we are studying today will be at the beginning, middle, and/or at the end of the word.
By learning the basics, you will gradually learn how to read words correctly and better implement them into your Spanish lessons. We recommend watching the series from the beginning, starting with our video on the alphabet in Spanish. The link is in the description.
In this video, we will learn how to combine the consonant CH with the 5 vowels.
Listen and then repeat the consonants CH in Spanish. Ready? Che. Again. Che. Great job! Now let's combine the consonants Che with the vowels. Repeat after me. Cha. Che. Chi. Cho. Chu. Great job! Now let's read a sentence with a syllable cha, like in chalecos. Ellos compraron 3 chalecos.
They bought 3 vests.
Next, repeat after me. Che. Again. Che. Very good. Let's read a sentence with a syllable che, like in checar. Ella tiene que checar su tarea.
She has to check her homework. And if you liked the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
If you know someone is having trouble learning Spanish, please share our videos. Next, repeat after me. Chi. Again. Chi. Great job! Let's read a sentence with a syllable chi, like in chícharos. A ella le gustan los chícharos.
She loves peas.
Now, repeat after me. Cho. Again, cho. Nice job! Let's read a sentence with a syllable cho, like in chocolate. Yo quiero un pastel de chocolate.
I want a chocolate cake.
Next, chu. Repeat after me. Chu. Again, chu. Well done. Let's read a sentence with a syllable chu, like in churros. ¿Tú comiste churros ayer?
You ate churros yesterday. That'll be all for today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of our new videos. We'll be uploading 1 video per week. Hasta la próxima!